A set of new creative filters for Freewell Sherpa system for your iPhones. Let's review those. So to use those new filters, you'll need a special Freewell case. Here it is on the screen, and I love this case, it's my daily driver. And I have already reviewed the system on my channel, including snow mist filter, ND filter, polarizing filter, a special grip from Freewell, and also the cinemorphic lens, and compared it to a proper full-frame anamorphic lens. I'll leave links to those reviews below the like button. But first, let's review the variable ND filter of 6 to 9 stops. That's a new filter from Freewell, and it reduces the amount of light that comes to your sensor. All of those filters for Freewell Sherpa system are super high quality, and I love the design of those. And we took some sample shots in this beautiful place in Florence, Italy. I love this city, and I think you guys will enjoy the footage too. So how does it work? The variable ND filter reduces a lot of light, as you can see right here, and 6 to 9 stops is enough to shoot in a bright sunlight. So here on the screen recording you can see that our shutter speed is 1/60, ISO 39, and we can adjust the strength of the filter, and we can properly expose the sky with this filter, which is great. And I don't see some artifacts like vignetting or whatsoever, so it's a very high quality magnetic filter for your system. So now let's talk about creative filters, and the first one we have here is the Galactic Grid filter. So what this filter does is when you point your camera at a very bright source of light like the sun, thanks to this grid on the filter itself, we'll get those kind of crosses, kind of rainbowy crosses from the source of light. And you can rotate the filter to adjust the position of this cross. It's a very tiny filter, it's very slim, very lightweight, and this effect is really reminded me of vintage like music videos or something like this. So if you do like this kind of creative shot, this filter is a great choice. It works in the best way with a 1x lens, but as you can see right here with the 3x lens, it's also more than usable, but I would stick to 1x camera of my iPhone. And if you want to shoot at 0.5x camera with this filter, you can also do that, but the effect will be a little different, as you can see from this example. And the next filter from this creative collection is Color Burst Mirage. And by the way, all the filters come in this really nice box with a rubber protective cap with the letters on it, so you can understand which filter is which. And this filter has those little stripes of different colors on the surface of it, and you can rotate the filter as well. So here it is. When you rotate the filter, you get those different little strips of light, different colors, which is great for something like music video or some other creative shots. I do understand that I won't be using this filter too often, but if you need this effect, once again, why not? Filters from Freewell do have this option right now. And I think the most creative filter out of those three is the Kaleidoscope. And by the way, it comes in a pretty beefy and thick box, and all in all this filter is pretty heavy, but look at this build quality. It's just so beautifully made, and I really enjoy the high quality of it. So what this filter does, as a real kaleidoscope, basically it makes your image go wild and kind of duplicates it in multiple ways, as you can see right here. So here's an example with the building and also with my beautiful wife. Her name is Katyusha, and as you can see, we do get some super creative shots. You can also try to shoot it in 0.5x camera if you rotate this filter, and you'll also get a pretty nice and interesting creative shot with this filter. So why do you need it? To show something like a dream of your character, or just to amplify the mysticness or the weirdness of the moment. So all in all, it's a super creative set of filters. So now let's talk about prices. The variable ND filter, 6 to 9 stops, costs $80, and the set of 3 creative filters is $170. Not cheap by any means, but if you do need those creative capabilities with your iPhone, this is a great option, and the quality of those filters is just top-notch. So what do you think of those filters, guys? Please share your thoughts in the comment section below, and if you did enjoy this video, smash the like and subscribe buttons as I say in my videos, and hit the notifications bell. My name is Oleg Nikitin, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Take care. Bye.